welcome back to my channel. Sorry for this view, but I have nowhere else to put you and I'm not holding you while driving. But anyway, we are on my way to my new school to hopefully begin prepping my classroom. I hope you can hear me okay because there is a train. So I got transferred from the high school to the middle school. I got transferred from my high school to my middle school this year. So I packed up my classroom a few weeks back, which was very sad. If you saw my first year high school classroom tour, I will put a little card up here. I'll have it linked. It was very sad taking all of that down, but I kind of expected it because the teachers in my school district don't typically stay in classrooms for a long period of time. So I got moved to my middle school. So I am on my way to just check out the school, check out my room. I do have some things in the back of my car that you can see that I may or may not bring in today. I'm not really sure. I may be bringing in more tomorrow or the following day. I kind of just want to get in the school and look at it. I've never been in the school before. I don't even know what my classroom's going to look like. So just going to go in and kind of get a feel for it. And then if I can start moving some things in, then I will. But it is also very hot. I'm also very sore from going to the gym the last couple days. So I don't even know how much I'm going to be able to bring in by myself. So I may have to wait until I have Aunt to help me, but we shall see. I wanted to document everything, and I don't know how much I'm going to actually wind up decorating this classroom because we are beginning our year with virtual teaching because of COVID. So I will actually not have, as of right now, any students in my classroom at all. But I do want to make it look semi-decent because I do plan on going in there to teach from my room. So I do want to have some sort of space for myself to enjoy. So yeah. Let's check out my room. All right, so I am in my room. It's a little bit echoey because there's not like a lot in here, but I did want to give you guys a little overview. I just got like a little tour from the principal, and I am in a trailer, which I'm actually pretty excited for because then I'm kind of like off on our own and I don't have to worry about hearing like all the craziness in the halls. There is a lot of stuff in here that belongs to the teacher that was in this room previously, so I'm not really gonna do a lot today. I'm gonna try and get some things out of my car. I'm really sweaty because it's like 100 degrees right now. But I am gonna try and get some of the things out of my car and maybe just kind of like rearrange a couple little things, but I'm not gonna do too much today because I really need the other teacher's belongings out and I don't really wanna like touch her things and move them around and stuff. So here's a little overview of my room. When you first walk into the room, obviously it's like a mess right now. It's a pretty good space and I like that there's a giant whiteboard here, and then there's 4 windows, which I'm probably gonna get curtains for. And then this is like the front of the room, and then there is a back door, which is really nice considering it is a trailer for safety purposes. I like that there are 2 doors, and then it is huge. So a lot of things that I could do with this room. So this is a little before shot. And then like I said, I'm gonna just kind of start moving some things in here and maybe rearranging like the desks and the teacher desk and stuff.
Walk out the door in my little black dress. Been a long day and I need to de-stress. Sun sets behind downtown skyline. My headphones on, play my favorite song. Turn the volume up all the way on my phone. Pulsing concrete under my feet. City is my club tonight. Hips way under traffic lights. Street talk, glowing neon bright. It's a dance floor in moonlight. New age and life can get crazy. I just see the way like whoa. If I'm too serious.
I brought everything in. Sweaty mess again. I brought everything in from my car. I really didn't have that much. I had like 2 bins, or a bin, a box, and 2 lamps. I will be bringing more in tomorrow, but I think right now what I'm gonna work on is anything that's labeled with the teacher's name. I'm gonna kind of move it out of the way towards the door so that way it's easier for janitors to grab it and take it out. And then that way I don't have to like worry about it being in the way or anything. Oh my gosh, it's so hot. Okay, so I'm gonna work on that and then probably like rearrange some furniture next. I also need to bring trash bags because all of the trash cans in this room are full and like I want to take down the bulletin board that's over there completely, so definitely gonna have to bring some trash bags tomorrow.
I might go crazy. I just see the way like whoa. Turn up the radio, I let it go. Turn up the radio, oh, turn up the radio, I let it go. Stars shine behind downtown skyline. Don't overthink tonight, just gonna dance. Fall for the rhythm, a sonic romance. Pulsing concrete under my feet. City is my club tonight. Hips way under traffic lights. Streets out glowing neon bright. It's a dance floor in moonlight. New age and life can get crazy. I just sit away like whoa. If I'm too serious, then I might go crazy.
Little babies everywhere. Like, ew, what is that? That is creepy. Trying to put all her things in one pile, but I'm not gonna be able to do that much today, I don't think.
I just sit away like whoa. Turn up the radio, I let it go. Turn up the radio. Turn up the radio, I let it go. Turn up the radio. Tie the laces tight on my sneakers. Sync my heartbeat up with the speakers. Tie the laces tight on my sneakers. Sync my heartbeat up with the speakers. Tie the laces tight on my sneakers. Sync my heartbeat up with the speakers. Tie the laces tight on my sneakers. Sync my heartbeat up with the speakers. New age and life can get crazy. I just sit away like whoa. If I'm too serious, then I might go crazy. I just sit away like whoa. Turn up the radio, I let it go. Turn up the radio. Turn up the radio, I let it go. Turn up the radio. Keep it moving, yeah. Just keep pushing, nah. Keep it moving, yeah. Keep it moving, yeah. Just keep pushing, nah. Keep it moving, yeah. Sit on my bed, I got nothing to do. Take out my phone once again, right to you. I'm really bored, please don't ignore. Started as fun, now I randomly know you love rainy days and you still live at home. It's cool to see you're real with me. Oh no, we've never met and things like this never last. But every time you text back, I can't help but reply with hearts in my eyes. Oh no, we've never met and things like this never last. But every time you text back, I can't help but reply with hearts in my eyes. I think I really like you, but I never say it straight to your face. I think I really like you, but I don't wanna repeat my mistakes.
Definitely quickly realizing that there's not a lot that I can do until her belongings are gone, and I also need to clean in here, like big time. Like this place needs a major wipe down, vacuum, all that good stuff. So I think I'm gonna rearrange the desks, and then I don't even know if there's gonna be anything else I do today because I need to like bring in a vacuum badly. I rearranged desks, so it sounds like a lot of work, but totally OCD, but I like to keep the types of desks together. So right now I'm gonna try and just like group the different types of desks that are similar together and then organize them from there.
And I guess I'm kinda scared of meeting you in person, cause you're really cute. I think instead of sliding to your DMs, like I said, I think I really like you, but I never say it straight to your face. Says no one else sees. We talk all night, I read then type. Oh no, we've never met and things like this never last. But every time you text back, I can't help but reply with hearts in my eyes. I think I really like you, but I never say it straight to your face. I think I really like you, but I don't wanna repeat my mistakes. And I guess I'm kinda scared of meeting you in person, cause you're really cute. I think instead of sliding to your DMs, like I said, I think I really like you, but I never say it straight to your face.
No
going to head out for the day. I just wiped down all of the desks after I rearranged them. I tried to keep the COVID guidelines, like the CDC guidelines, and separate them at least 6 feet, which I think I did a pretty good job with. The only thing is they are like still like front to back and stuff, so I mean, it's a big space, but it's not that big to like completely space them out by 6 feet. I left the janitors a little note because there's broken glass by the back door, and I need the trash cans to be emptied. I need the teacher stuff to be out of here, so I am planning on coming back tomorrow morning, and I'm gonna bring my vacuum, and I'm gonna try and kind of maybe do some like decorating at this point now that I kind of did some of the cleaning, but I don't really know what to do until I get like furniture in and the other teacher's furniture out. The principal said that if there's anything I needed, like a chair or podium or anything that the other teacher wants to take of hers, then I can ask to get them, but obviously they won't be like coming in unless we order them. So yeah, not too much that I can do yet. I'm probably just gonna bring back more of my stuff tomorrow. I'll probably bring back the rest of my stuff, so there'll be more to do tomorrow. And then I might go out today and get like bulletin board paper and kind of like do something with the bulletin boards, just because like I have the time. I really don't know what's gonna happen if we even get kids in person at all, but at least it'll look nice. It gives me something to do, and yeah, so that is it for classroom setup day 1. I'm probably gonna make this into one single video and kind of like do multiple days, so please ignore my sweaty self. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe because I will be posting more classroom content later on, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.